Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a feast, a mukbang feast for you. Today we have white rice, jerk barbecue, chicken,
different
plantains, you know we love the plantains, and some pear, aka avocado. And we're gonna dig in right after I show you my outfit of the day.
Hurry up, no?
Chocolate milk. I like 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 chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back!
We are back, guys. And we are going to dig in. I hope you liked my outfit of the day. I just felt like looking a little fancy today. I always look fancy, but just felt like putting something, a little dress on for you guys. All right, guys. Listen, we're going to dig in. I mean, you can hear me now?
Oh,
you know,
you see, no, when we go before you, I said, oh, me gone already. Oh,
I trick you. You can
special
eat.
sauce right here, homemade.
And I'm just drinking a ginger ale. I like this brand.
Yeah.
I used to like Canada Dry, but this brand tastes better. I like this brand.
Got gas, we gotta drink this. That's where you gotta drink ginger when you have gas.
Yes. And as normal or as usual, we are hungry. Let us not eat.
I
have not tasted this at all today.
Me neither.
I saw you sneak a piece.
I sneak a piece of one thing, stop lying for me. Nice. Like
Really
that.
good.
Wow. Jerk barbecue. Soft and tender, huh?
Soft and tender. Dropping off the bone.
Some more gravy. Do you want some?
Not right now, but I soon will. I gotta taste this chicken first.
Try chicken, girl.
Well,
And now the taste.
let me drink something because
Yeah. Okay, you know all day.
I feel a hiccup coming. Woo! Excuse me.
You like rice? Nice. I wasn't gonna do that to you first, Eddie.
Listen.
How you say you're hungry? I will give it to you.
All right. You ain't gonna embarrass me again.
I won't.
Okay.
What?
I like that the green peppers is still crunchy. So you made a gravy separate?
Gravy separate.
I don't think I understand why I look stiff from. I use my un.
That me I try to show you my girl. So you wow. Almost forgot.
But the plantains,
Almost forgot about it.
we fried this in coconut oil.
That's good.
It's very good. Coconut oil gives the food a different flavor.
So yeah.
It doesn't overpower it, but
Coconut oil.
ooh, I love when the plantains
And you
is
tell
sweet
me the
like
same
this.
coconut oil you could use and put in your hair too.
Yeah. Yep. Look at you.
What?
You're fashion.
Learning.
I see. I don't know why I didn't bring a spoon. When you're eating rice like this on camera, I use a spoon.
I'm gonna get a spoon for you first, lady. Cause only greedy people eat with spoon now. You say, "I'm with fork." Cause I said, if you eat with spoon, you're greedy. And fork, man, I'm with. Want me to get that spoon? Okay. Well, like you're not greedy.
After you said that, no, thank you. I don't want a spoon now.
So I'm with fork.
You know, said King said, I don't know if I can. I think this is not enough rice.
Really?
Because I feel greedy today.
You sure do, because you act for a spoon.
I don't know. The rice can't get in fast enough. As you guys know, the leg is my favorite part. But I don't like, when I'm eating curry chicken, I don't like the leg to be cut up. I like the leg to stay whole because I like the leg. Yeah.
Wait, so you didn't get enough right, girl?
No, because
Okay, now we go for more rice. No, I take some of mine.
everything is delicious.
Boy,
Can't even chop.
I was hungry, yo. I know you was hungry. This is your first thing from morning.
Yep. I had a candy bar actually.
Can't say for the same for me. I'll even be a joke. Yo, you love look for me, man.
When you drink the soda like that or juice like that, it doesn't like
Wow.
the ice doesn't prevent you from really enjoying the soda because it's like it's stopping you from drinking.
You don't stop me. You don't bug me one bit. Wow. Nice, enough.
Come on, say he's a chef. You're a chef, innit?
Don't say that for people think me a chef. I'm a chef for us. We do our own thing. You know what I mean?
Listen, you can taste the jerk sauce and the jerk seasoning.
And also mix with the barbecue.
Mixed with the barbecue. That is a good combo. That is an excellent combination.
Excellent though. I want some more gravy.
Me too.
You want some now? Or you want for it?
Right there on the rice.
Stop.
Yeah, right there. Yes.
Special sauce.
You see the onion?
Nice.
Kind of sweet, kind of spicy. Good combination
That's
too.
right. I know what you like. This is delicious.
If we ever run a contest where one lucky subscriber gets to eat with us, they want to move in. They can't move in, do it. But we're not on the space
We're not
too.
almost yes. You come eat, and then you go bye-bye.
And you got your yard. Simple.
Same flight. One day.
Damn. He's like that.
Because I know when you come, you're going to be eating a lot. I don't like really sharing food. Wow. We're eating so much. You even tell them how it was made. There you go.
Thank you. All right, so we're gonna show you guys how it's made. Now, this video is a little different. I mean, it's not that different, but it's not a lot to show because all you're really doing is getting the chicken and season it the way that you like it. So we're gonna show you the season that we use and the jerk sauce, and you put some jerk sauce on it, and you season up the chicken with the jerk sauce and put it in the oven. That's it.
Or grill.
Right,
But
or grill.
they didn't want to use grill today. They didn't want to get too much smelly, you know?
So once you do that and you put it in the oven, you cook it until it's ready. Make it 165, and you add the barbecue sauce on it at the end. And you leave it uncovered in the oven to let the barbecue sauce stick to the chicken.
Yeah, brown.
That's it. But we're gonna show you what my husband did. Like I said, it's just showing you the ingredients. When we do something that's more complex, we'll go into more detail. Enjoy. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And this is what the husband is cooking today: a whole jerk chicken. And he's going to do something special. He's going to actually make it barbecue. So it's called jerk chicken barbecue. And we have the barbecue sauce that's going to go in there, and cayenne pepper, and all the other seasonings like the seasoned salt and the Everglades and black pepper and all that stuff is normally what we use in most of the stuff that we cook. But there's a secret ingredient which you need. You cannot make jerk anything without jerk sauce. And then we have some onions, some thyme, some tomatoes, some red pepper, and also green pepper. And we'll show you how it looks once he puts everything together. Do you see that, guys? Do you see that? That is the ending result. That's how you want it to look. Jerk chicken barbecue. See the barbecue sauce? And you can still see the jerk seasoning. Yeah. It's going down in a mukbang. See you later. You've been killing it lately. We are back, guys. And I hope you like the video of how we prepared this. Like I said, there's really not much to it. But we did want to show you
how it gets down. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Every day, I'll do myself.
You outdo yourself. If you've never had plantains before, it's very delicious. It's a sweet, almost like banana. It's very sweet, especially if you let it sit and ripen. And some people think plantains, if the skin is like dark, that means it's no good. No, that's what you want.
That's what you want. The ripeness.
The ripeness. The riper it is, the sweeter.
Plantain is.
Thank you. The plantain is. And I love plantains. I eat it with I make a plantain sandwich, plantain and egg sandwich.
You love plantain for real, man?
I do.
I'm over here enjoying.
Not I do all the talking all the time. Right.
But I tune in now and then. I didn't come off the channel yet. I'm still tuning in. No?
You know.
I'll back you up.
I have to chop the ones in there. You know when something is good.
Down.
You do. You know when something is good when you close your eyes after you eat it. When you're like,
True.
Okay.
Make it a mess over there, girl.
Always.
What? Pepper?
No.
What's the super pepper?
Everything is so good. And again, he used the whole chicken, but you don't have to.
Leg quarters.
Yeah. Because some people...
Drumsticks.
But in Jamaica...
Wing.
Jerk chicken is typically made with leg quarters.
Right.
So, but you can use chicken breast, chicken thighs, whatever you want. Hell, go jerk a turkey and barbecue it.
Whatever you want. On you. Right?
Imagine for Thanksgiving, make a jerk barbecue turkey. Or fry it, fried barbecue. Jerk fried.
Anything you want for a video. Just set it up.
I feel like rice is always missing my mouth. Always.
Rice gonna drop off the rice so you chat too much. Damn, yo. Only if they could taste this, huh?
Only if they could taste this. That's a sad part. That's the sad part. And you can't taste it.
If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And the next one, you put it down there in the bottom. Comment.
Leave a comment.
There we go.
I'm telling you. And coming like to these people don't like to talk.
Just join the journey. Okay? Join it.
Do you know how many times I have watched a YouTuber that started from 5,000 subscribers. And I've been watching them. And they now have 400,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers. I'm happy for them. I'm like, wow.
I grind. Share. The sauce is just hitting.
Sauce is just hitting.
Wow. What a drop.
Because of the ice, you see?
No, because I miss my mouth. I'm here chat. Yes, the ginger you're making you.
Oh yeah, I forgot I'm drinking this soda. I'm belching.
Get off the gas, girl. With this sauce right here, first lady. Let's tell the story.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. But he made a whole chicken, as you can see in the video.
All done now.
It's all done, but it fed everybody.
Yep.
And we have a lot of chicken here.
I did one chicken by myself, you know. You doing so?
With rice?
No, it's so much rice though.
But it's a whole chicken?
Chicken with a little bit of rice. You think I'm gonna beat up, you know?
I sure do think so. I've seen you eat a half a chicken with rice, beans, vegetable, and then 30 minutes later you say you're hungry. So
that's true. See, lying.
And the chicken is so soft.
Yeah. I love doing mukbang and eating. I love it. I love it, family.
Why you do your face like that? I thought you was gonna say, I love sitting here with Shanice.
I love. Yeah, and that too, but I love doing the mukbang.
No, but the way you say it, you say, I love doing mukbang. My God, that's the only thing you're thinking about?
Food. That's not my only job.
My gosh.
Want with your rice?
Yep.
Did you say you want some more rice? Yo, you crazy girl. You just say you want more rice and then.
Listen, they didn't even remember that until you brought it up again.
Yeah, put some of my rice by my side then. Put my rice, man. Come. You just say you want to buy more rice to help.
Yo, I'd embarrass myself too. Now, look at my pants. I'd embarrass myself now.
I mean, I get up enough to get some more too, you know. So, hell. And you come flap me too.
Oh my gosh, that was skin.
It's alright, you know.
I would really embarrass myself.
Yep. You call it out. You call it all the smoke and then you know you ain't gonna deal with it.
You know, when you're hungry, that's dangerous. Because you eat everything. You know that, right?
Yeah.
No. Let me change it. You would think you could eat everything. Like if I'm hungry and I'm in a grocery store, I buy up all kind of crap. Because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna eat this, I'm gonna eat this, I'm gonna eat that. When I get home, I'll eat now 1 free.
Me yummy. No problem. Wow. I love mukbang.
Yeah, you got me good. This guy, I thought this guy.
I freeze you on that one. Mukbang and chill. Yep. Not too spicy. Now work one.
I'm not coming for jerk.
No, jerk. I work. I ain't not work. Come on.
You guys have to try some of these recipes. You have to.
Simple and easy. Trust me.
Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. You don't have to be a good cook to do these stuff.
Exactly. Very, very simple.
Very simple. Cook to your likings.
Yep.
All you gotta do.
Sorry.
Right?
Piece of skin.
Skin. Mm-hmm. Cook to your liking, right?
Mm-hmm. That's it. Mm-hmm. Once you do that,
So.
you want a piece of plantain?
Yeah, you name up a life let me know.
No. You
Yo.
listen. This is recorded. I can go back and count.
You name up a life let me know. Trust me, my girl. You name up, huh?
Just like when we did the taco video. You name 11 taco.
No, you name 11.
You name 11 taco out of 21.
Mm-hmm.
My gosh.
Family,
And I ate 6.
if you haven't seen taco video, go check it out.
Yeah. I
She ate 11 tacos out of 21.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
What?
That was your style. You should give me the breast part. Mm-hmm. The breast part. That's I think almost a wing on the.
Oh, it's a back.
The back part,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
You see how he's scouring the food? He already know that this is the part I'm supposed to eat. You see that?
I know you like those part.
Yeah.
I know she like those part. That's why I give it to her.
Mm-hmm. That's why.
Mm-hmm. Not a lie, girl.
Mm. You want to give me a little bit of napkins?
Good one. You want more napkin? You said no.
Yeah? You know some pay feet already, you know?
Mm-hmm. Baby, it again. Mm-hmm. Wow. Man, gosh.
Uh-oh, you have me licking my fingers too.
Mm-hmm. Lick your finger, man. Food good.
You're nothing on your side.
Mm-hmm. Where you want to be on my side?
That's empty.
Was there something over here?
There was a lot of food.
I didn't see it. Where was I?
Right here.
I keep telling you that.
You never see it.
I had this part in the back part. Got the season there.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Your turn tomorrow.
Oh. I forgot.
The chef is off. My day's done.
Yep. I'm gonna cook tomorrow.
Yep, sure does. Sure does. What you eat now? Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow I'm making my famous fried rice.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken fried rice. Whoever had headphones in, I'm sorry.
Oh, my bad. Mm-hmm.
That ever happened to you? You watching a video? I don't know where the person starts screaming or says something. You're like, oh man, that's loud. A lie, yeah, tell.
My thing's always low.
Whatever.
Because you never know what's gonna happen, like what I just did. You see me?
Whatever. Most people, their headphones are
Yeah, happened to you because you're too noisy.
whatever. It was loud.
Mm-hmm. Wow, Tom. This one had all the seasoning in the bone.
In the bone? And you took it from me.
Mm-hmm.
See, you still?
Mm-hmm. What's up? Mm-mm.
Wait, a piece of rice grain dropped down.
Oh, you're lucky. No, I can't. Don't do it. Almost. Almost, you know?
I can't find it. It's somewhere.
Almost went for it. Good job.
That food was excellent as usual.
That was good. One day, one of your lucky subscribers will come try this.
Sure
and you're
will.
going to see we're not playing.
We throw down.
Throw down. Can't get it out. Boy. Wow.
Excuse me, guys. All right, guys. Once again, thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And put on that notification bell. Click the little bell,
hit the bell
in the corner so you can know when we upload. You do want to know when we upload because the videos be epic, the videos be funny, the videos be everything, right? So, and don't forget to share, especially that iguana video of us eating the iguana. Share.
It says, greedy girl eat the iguana. Share and don't tear. But care.
Be quiet. All right, guys. I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time. Bye.
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him.